How does it start?
West Bengal,
Kolkata,
Uttarakhand,
Dehradun,
Uttar Pradesh,
Lucknow,
aduga Tripura,
Agartala,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Sikkim,
Gento,
Rajasthan,
Rajasthan, Jaipur,
Punjab,
Chandigarh,
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar,
Nagaland,
Kohima,
Mizoram,
Aizawl,
Meghalaya,
Shillong,
Manipur,
Imphal,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal,
Kerala,
Thiruvananthapuram,
Karnataka,
Bengaluru,
Jharkhand,
Chandigarh,
Jharkhand,
Ranchi,
Himachal Pradesh,
Shimla,
Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Gujarat,
Gujarat, Gandhinagar,
Goa,
Manaji,
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur,
Bihar,
Patna,
Assam,
Dispur,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
Andhra Pradesh,
Amravati.